And welcome back. Well, if you have window shades or blinds with that double cord, here's a news flash. They're out of style and they're a choking hazard. It's like having a typewriter. Technology has advanced so much that visible cords with those double straps are no longer needed. It not only looks a lot better, but it's so much safer for your family and young kids in the house. Dan Anheuser is back from Bazaar Home Decorating with more on the cordless blinds and updated blind strings. Thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us.
This is a really important topic. We've heard about it in the news. We've heard about it from you just in general, how outdated these double cords that are a choking hazard are.
Yes, they're becoming very outdated, and pretty soon everything where it's going to is going to a cordless system or something with just a single cord.
Yeah. So it doesn't matter if there's a single cord. The problem here is this double loop, because this can get wrapped around a pet or a child's neck.
Yes,
right?
absolutely. If you it just takes a second. I think there was unfortunately 7 child deaths last year, just due to the blind cord.
Just from blinds.
Yes.
That's awful.
So we're trying to do everything we can to have people get rid of these shades, update their home, as well as make it safe for everyone.
Well, and you think about, a lot of parents are pretty savvy with it. They've, child-proofed their home, but grandma's house. That's a lot of places that grandma's not always thinking, oh gosh, I gotta change my blinds. They're thinking about just getting the doorways and the outlets covered, but really this is a huge hazard.
It's probably the #1 overlooked hazard in the home.
So what can we do? This is a new cordless shade here that you have that has the mechanism right inside, so there's no cords.
Yes, the cord mechanisms all roll up on the rollers, and since it rolls instead of has a tension point, the shades actually last longer and makes for an easier operation. All you have to do is pull the shade up.
It's like an accordion.
Yes, it is.
Grandma and Grandpa will love that.
And right now this is a free upgrade on our premium cellular shades.
If you could add music in there, I think they'd sell even more.
Yes and no, as long as it's not in the baby's room that wakes up the baby. But yeah, it's been a fantastic product for us. It's very affordable. They save about $60 per shade right now on this free upgrade. Yes.
Okay, because right now you're having the big free upgrade sale and rebates and all that good stuff.
Yes, absolutely.
So that's why this is more affordable right now?
Yep. It's all the way through the end of the month.
Great. All right, this guy has a cord, but it's a good cord because it's singular.
It's a good cord. Sometimes you can't reach all the way to the top of your cordless shade windows, and so pull it towards into the shade.
Oh, here, you do it. I'm holding it wrong. Oh, there.
That's the Ultra Glide feature. Used to only be available on the Duet product from Hunter Douglas. Now it's also available on the Applause product, which is a little bit, it's a lower price point.
Okay.
And so it makes it more affordable for people to be able to get into the Ultra Glide control.
Easy.
And it's fantastic. It's one of our most popular operating.
Oh, and you just pull down like that.
Just pull it down. It's like a lawnmower cord where it only has a certain amount of cord in there, but it's a fantastic product.
Okay, that's wonderful. All right, so this is a little bit more affordable. Let's get into more of the glamorous, the looking wonderful, a little bit upgraded price range.
Yep. A lot of people know about the Silhouette shade. The Ultra Glide used to have to pump it down to get it down. Now they have the new Ultra Glide 2, which opens the shade right up.
That was fun.
Yes. So you're able to just walk the shade, click it once, walk away, and the shade will open up like this.
Can they close too, or are they always open?
Nope, they can, then just a little tug of the cord.
Beautiful.
And you can close it down and get your full privacy.
This fabric is so pretty. This is brand new, you said?
Brand new fabric, yes.
I love this.
It comes in this brown color and also a couple of neutral colors as well.
This is going to sound like a silly question, but these can be made any size, right?
Yep, I believe up to 120, 126 inches wide.
Where does somebody put a shade like this in their home? In the bedroom?
Bedrooms are good. Also, family room, living room, kitchens, anywhere where you like to have like to see out. Maintain your view, but also get some privacy.
So soft looking.
When the shade's down like this during the day, no one can see in. It's called daytime privacy.
Even though we can see out?
Even though you can see out, no one can see in. It's due to how the 2 layers of shears work.
That's cool.
And there's a video on our Facebook page.
Okay.
People can go and view and learn more about it and how fantastic it is.
That's great. Okay, so this one in front, I want to make sure that you get to too, because this is a really beautiful update on the Roman shade. Again, a brand new fabric. You don't have the full sizes in the showroom because you just got these in.
These products just came out April 1st.
This is almost, it's velvety.
Yes, it's
beautiful.
It's one of our more popular fabrics.
Gorgeous.
But now it comes with a cordless feature.
That's so nice.
So you don't have to worry about, normally they come with a big cord loop on the side, that has to be mounted down to your woodwork. Now you can just go and just pull the shade down.
And it's gorgeous. This is beautiful. I could see this in the bedroom. I mean, it's so much prettier in person too, this silky kind of feature. I know you've got lots of new fabrics, things for people to look at. I want to make sure to give the information about your rebates and free upgrade sale, because people can come in now, take advantage of these. It's something you really should update, even if it's your home or if it's grandma and grandpa's home. Make sure it's something you talk about for the safety of your kids and your pets. Those rebates and free upgrade sales are going on through June 14th. Here's how you take advantage of Bazaar's showroom, as well as the discounts that they have. They're on Watertown Road in the town of Brookfield. You can call for more information, 262-784-2448 or bazaarhdc.com. Remember, these are brand new, just seen here, so they're not in full in the showroom, so you may have to find Dan and ask him about it.
Yes.
Thanks for being here.
Thanks for having us on.
Appreciate it.